Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we delve into the profound importance of masjids, or mosques, in the lives of Muslims around the world. Beyond being places of worship, masjids serve as community centers, educational hubs, and symbols of unity and peace. Join us as we explore the history, architecture, and spiritual significance of these sacred spaces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content like this. 1. What is a masjid? The word masjid comes from the Arabic root word sayada, meaning to prostrate. A masjid is a place where Muslims gather to perform their daily prayers, with its primary purpose being to glorify and worship Allah. The masjid is also a place for reflection, learning, and community bonding. 2. The history of masjids. The first masjid in Islamic history is the Quba Mosque, built by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in Medina. Following this, the Masjid al-Nabawi was constructed, setting the foundation for the role of masjids in Islamic culture. Over centuries, masjids have evolved, reflecting the architectural styles of their regions while maintaining their spiritual essence. 3. Architectural features of masjids. Masjids are renowned for their stunning architecture. Common features include minarets, tall towers used for the call to prayer, domes symbolizing the heavens and the universe, mihrab, a niche indicating the direction of Mecca Qibla, courtyards, often used for additional prayer space and gatherings. Each masjid's design reflects local culture, blending tradition with modernity. 4. Spiritual significance of masjids. Masjids are more than just buildings. They are sanctuaries of peace and devotion. Muslims gather here for the 5 daily prayers, Friday congregational prayers Jumu'ah, and special occasions like Eid. Masjids also foster a sense of belonging and unity among worshippers. 5. The role of masjids in education and community. Historically, masjids have been centers of learning. From Quranic studies to advanced sciences, masjids have nurtured intellectual growth. Today, they host programs for youth, interfaith dialogues, and social services, emphasizing their importance as community hubs. Point 6. Iconic masjids around the world. Some masjids are globally recognized for their architectural beauty and historical significance. Examples include Masjid al-Haram in Mecca, the holiest site in Islam, Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem, a site of profound religious importance, Sultan Ahmed Mosque, Blue Mosque in Istanbul, known for its breathtaking design. 7. Maintaining and respecting masjids. Masjids are sacred spaces that require care and respect. Visitors should dress modestly, maintain cleanliness, and uphold the sanctity of the environment. Supporting masjids through donations and volunteering also ensures their longevity for future generations. If you enjoyed this exploration of masjids, share this video to spread awareness about their significance. Thank you for watching.